Here at the Westminster Collection, we've seen coins in all shapes and sizes, but the coin I'm about to unbox is definitely a coin first for us. I mean, take a look at this. I know I can hardly believe that this is a coin myself, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video to show you it in a bit more detail. And considering we have just 50 available, if you'd like to get ahead of me and secure one for your collection, just head over to the link on screen now. Right, so if I just open up this special 75th anniversary presentation box, I bet you've never seen a coin quite like this one. So this 1 ounce silver coin honours the 75th anniversary of Fender, the legendary musical instrument company that has provided guitars for the likes of Jimi Hendrix, George Harrison and Eric Clapton. With some of the most iconic performers in modern history using their guitars, I'm sure you can agree that it's only fitting that the coin released for the 75th anniversary is in the shape of the renowned Telecaster guitar. It's fair to say that it really is the perfect miniature thanks to its selective coloration and incredible level of detail. However, whilst it looks exactly like the Telecaster, you're sadly unable to play this coin as you would a guitar. Now, as you can see, the coin will arrive inside of this custom-shaped capsule, which means that I'm able to handle it without damaging its .9999, so that's .49's silver-proof finish. So on the reverse, you can see a special inscription for Fender's 75th anniversary just down here, and then the weight of the coin and the finesse of the silver just along there. Whilst if I flip it over, you can see on the obverse the effigy of Her Majesty, the issuing country, face value and year of issue. But also in the top corner, so just here, you can see where it sits inside of the tiny 2500 edition limit. So the one I'm holding here is number 2312, which leads me on perfectly to the certificate of authenticity. So this tells you all about the coin and its specifications. However, of that tiny 2500 edition limit, we currently have just 50 available for our collectors. So if you'd like to be one of a handful of collectors worldwide to own this incredibly unique coin for £125, or 5 interest-free instalments of £25, just head over to the link on screen now. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell, or give us a like and follow if you're watching on socials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.